Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on the application of Duolingo. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Duolingo and you will enter. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. As you see here, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.